Hello, doing another killer Sudoku while I'm here. Um, yeah. So with glasses this time, which is eminently sensible. So let's get off to start. So what we doing here? So first thing we do is we try and pick up easy ones, which are obvious remainders. In a cell or a line, you might have a situation like here, whereby you've got a number of cells, and then you've got one which isn't part of the square or isn't part of the line, and that means that's a remainder. So in this case, for instance, 26 plus 10, 36 plus 3 means that this is the remainder, and it's 6. Up here, 1 plus 2 plus 3 is the only solution to 6. Same for 8 and 9 for 17. Those take away enough options from 12 to mean that 12 can only be one thing, which is 5 and 7. It also gives us a little, gives us some leftovers, which is 4 and 6. 4 and 6, 4 and 6. Okay, so where else? Okay, so 5 here. This should have, I've just noticed that this will take away many options here. So 1 and 4 instead. Down here, 3. This has to be 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Now, 1 and 2 takes away, so 10, for instance, has four solutions. 1 and 9, can't be 1 and 9. 2 and 8, can't be 2 and 8. And this 6 takes the other one away and leaves just 3 and 7. This is 5, this is 7. Where else? So, what are we looking at here? So 1, 1, 1. Okay, so if we look at this 2, I'm just doing a quick bit of scanning here as well because we've got quite a bit. So 2's down here, 2's here, 2 can't go in here, 2 can only go there. If that's 2 and 6, then that means that this is a 9. And scanning says that this is a 9. So then what we're left with, 3, 4. Okay, scanning says that this is a 4. 5. No, this is a remainder on this line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This has got to be 6. This is 7. So now we know it's got to go down here as well, which is going to be 5 and 8. And also we now know it's got to go here. 1, 2, so 3, 5, and 8. Also, this is bothering me as well. If this is 8, then this becomes 5. And if that's a 4, that would have to be a 1, which it can't be. So it can't be an 8. Oh, no. Okay. So this is bothering me. So I'm going to do this as well. 5 and 6 would mean this would be a 2. 5 and 4 would mean this will be a 4. So it can't be 5 and 4. So yeah, 5 and 6, 5 and 4. Then 3 and 4 is 7. So this would be a 6. And 3 and 6 would be 9, which would be 4. So it's kind of one of those ones where it's the other way around, I guess. So either 6 and 5 or 3 and 4. Let's stop that. Where are we? Spider A. That is a single cell. This is a remainder. 14 plus 9 plus 7. So 21 plus 9, 30 plus 14 means this is a 1. Also, because so 5, so this is 6, 8, 6, 8, and 9. So this is 5, 6, and 8. That's 6 in here. So that will be 5, 8, and 9. This is going to be 5, 6, no, 5, 6, yeah, and 9. Yep. So we can treat that like a quad. So then what's left over? 2, 3, and 4. 2 and 3 at the bottom. Yeah. Cool. So what's next? So anything else that comes down to just one solution at the minute? Yeah, here. 24 only has one solution, which is 7, 8, and 9. So I'm going to put in what remains in here. So which is 1, 5, and 6. 6 can't go along the top. Okay, so this is 6. This is remainder 8. This can't be 1, because if it was 1, 7 would have to go in here. It can't. So this is going to be 1, 2, and 1. So what's going to go in here? So if that's 1, then this has to be 15. So 8 and 5. So it can't be 8 and 5. So and 15. 8 and 5, this would be 2. Can't be 2. 8 and 3. 8 and 3 would be... Well, it has to be 8, because it can't be anything else. So it's not 8 and 3, it's got to be 8 and 5. No, it's not 8 and 5, it's got to be 8 and 3. Yeah, okay. 4. So then this has to be 5. This has to be 8. This has to be 3. I'm genuinely quite concerned about myself. Anyway, so 5. That means what's left over? So 5 means this has to be 8. So this has to be 2 and 6. And this has to be 4. Okay, so here, oh, damn it. Can't be 9 because this is 6 and 9. That has to pair with 5 and 8. So then what's left over? So this has to be 1. So this can't be 5 or 6. This has to be 8 and 9. And that can only be 5. Let's solve that little bit. So then where else are we? So we've got 2 11s and we've got a... So let's have a look at here. You'd think we've got enough on this line to boil this down to something. So 11. So it can't be 2 and 9. Can't be 3 and 8. Can't be 5 and 6. So this is 4 and 7. That's 4. That's 7. So now 10. Can't be 1 and 9. Can't be 4 and 6. Can't be 3 and 7. So this has to be 2 and 8. Well, we know this is 8 here already. 2 and 8. So this is 11. So it can only be... 9, sorry. 9. So this has to be 3 and 6. 3, 8. 3 and 6. Okay, great. So where are we now? So 11. 11 in the top corner. Can't be 4 and 7. Can't be 5 and 6. Can't be 2 and 9. This is 3 and 8. 3 and 8, which means that this is a 6 and this is a 3. What about here? This 10. 3 and 7. 4 and 6. 2 and 8. So this has to be 1 and 9. 1 and 9, which means that this is a 2 and a 2 and 1. So 1, 2. So what does that leave us here? Can't be 1, 3. It's 2 and 6 in that order. Now what's left in here? So we've got 1, 2, 3. So we've got 4. 5, 5, 5, and then 6. Okay, so what's the pair in here? So 1 and so it's 13. So 4 and 9 can't be 4 and 9. 5 would be 8 and 6 would be 7. Could be either of those, but it can't be 4. We know that for sure. This is going to be 7 and 8. So what have we got left? So one of these has to be 4. So 4 and 5 would be a number. Oh, hang on. 4 and 6 would need another 4. 4 and 5 would need another 5. Am I losing my mind here? Yep, this can't be 6. Start again. Back we go. Okay, so it's 4, 5, and 7, isn't it? So 4, so 4 is still going to be 9, so it can't be 4. So if it's 5 and 7, it's 8 and 6. It can't be 6, that has to be 8. Which means that has to be 5. Which means 4 and 7 is 11, that means that has to be 3. So at the top here. So we've got here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is a 7. 4 and 7. Then what we're going to have across here. So this is remainder 11. Can't be 3 and 8. Can't be 5 and 6. Can't be 4 and 7. This is 2 and 9. 9 and 2. What's left over? 1, 2, 3. This is going to be 4. Then what about down here? If this is 4, then this has to be 14. So can't be 6 and 8. It has to be 5 and 9. There's a 9 there. No, it's not 5 and 9. Yep, 9 there. I was on the right track, so this has to be a 5. 1, 9. This is 2 and 6. So now we've got a remainder here. 8 plus 14 plus 10 is 32. Plus the 9 means this is going to be 4. 7, 3, 5, 8. Nearly there. 8 up here. What are we missing? So if this is 4, then this is 7. So this is 1 and 6. So what's left over here? This is 3 and 7. So this is going to be 7. And 3. 8 and 1. This is the 5. Woohoo! Nailed it. Anyway, that one wasn't particularly taxing. I don't know what's going on with these. There was a point where we were having them where they were just like ridiculously hard, and now they're just like normal. Anyway, so, yeah. Tell you what we're going to do. I'm going to call it a day there, and hope to catch you on the next one.